Oh, look at this. I keep mixing it up, and somebody, some culprit is putting this back the way it's supposed to be. Let me try mixing it up again, and I'm gonna leave a trap for this person. I don't know who's doing it, so I'm gonna mix it up. There's no way they're going to be able to solve this one. Okay, that's all kind of mixed up. I'm leaving it there. That's on the top, and I'm going to sit back and wait for the noise. Where's it? Oh, that's my son. And what's your record in doing that?
2.5 minutes.
I think you just beat your 2.5 minutes. Nice going, Josh.